Ya, Eskul English Club di bawah binaan Ibu Putri Ngawirabaya SS. Kepada perwakilan dipersilakan.
Beri tepuk tangan yang meriah. Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning everyone. So how are you today? Okay, can we change into amazing? So if I say how are you today, you say amazing. Yeah? Okay, how are you today? Okay, one more. How are you today? Okay, yeah, guys. My name is Miss Putri, so I will be your tutor in this school. And then I'm not alone here. I'm with my students Hisham, and Hisham will give a presentation about our school. So Hisham, please, time is yours. Give applause first. Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Muhammad Hisham Chen from 11th Network Engineering 2, and I would like to present our English that I'm also part of. What we're going to do today is we're going to talk about our activities and so on. Let's check it out. Next slide here, please. Alright, as you can see, English Club is a place where we can share and learn new things about English, especially public school. Here are the examples of our activities. The pictures here, as you can see, shows what we learn how to analyze movies, and we also have an articles to add America in Pacific Place, Jakarta. Next slide, please. Our goal is how to master public speaking and learn how to tell a story and learn how to pick. The second is to learn about vocabulary building and grammar. And lastly, to build a community who has the same interests. This is our program. Joining the competition such as spelling bee and storytelling competition in wide range. Next please. Our achievement in 2022 is winning the National Storytelling Competition in the 3rd place. Isn't that cool? Next please. Our next achievement in 2024 is winning the Global House National Olympic Language IT Festivals 2024. Isn't that cool? Next, we have the golden winner for newsreading, the golden winner for storytelling, and the silver winner for public speaking. Is there a next one? Alright, thanks again. In 2025, we follow a debate competition in SMKN 1 Bojong, but unfortunately, we lost. And that's okay. We are determined to improve and win, and we will try again. Next, please. And for your information, we have 40 students who is friends in our club. Don't forget to come and join us.
Okay, give applause please. Okay, thank you Hisham for the presentation. Okay guys, so don't forget to join our club. Okay, I'll be waiting. Okay, thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum.